As Psalm 30 verse 1 declares, "You turned my wailing into dancing. You removed my sackcloth and clothed me with joy." Let this truth be your anthem as you walk into the fulfillment of God's promises, like this video. Heaven has heard your cries, whispered prayers, and every moment you endured the unbearable was not in vain. Now is the time to praise, and now is the time to dance with uncontrollable joy, for the wait is over. If you believe in God, the path you have taken has not been in vain. Each hardship has shaped you, each setback has placed you in a better position, and each delay has reinforced your faith. The test has come, but now comes the testimony. The Lord says, "I will give you strength for every weakness, joy for every sorrow, and a pathway where there seems to be no one." Your story is being rewritten by my hand from scarcity to prosperity, from despair to hope, from crying to rejoicing. This is your moment of divine transformation. Believe it with all of your heart, and shout 1111, "I receive it." God is about to take you from a place of lack to one of abundance, from brokenness to Hess, and from overwhelmed to overflowing. Prepare yourself for what is coming. The time of hardship is ending, dear child. The author of your destiny has spoken, and his promises will always come true. Praise, dance, and proudly enter the abundance that has been provided for you. Malachi 3:10 reminds us to bring the entire tithe into the storehouse, so that there may be food in my house. The Lord Almighty says, "Test me in this, and see if I will not throw open the floodgates of heaven and pour out so much blessing that there will be room enough to store it." The Lord, in his boundless love and mercy, is getting ready to open the windows of heaven wide and pour out blessings so abundant that they will transform every aspect of your life. Keep your word, because this promise is about to come true. God says that the difficult times are ended and that the storms that previously threatened to drown you are subsiding. I am announcing new beginnings for your life, miracles and innovations. Your current position is not where you will stay, because I am guiding you to a place of plenty, harmony, and joy. Get ready for I am changing the very foundation of your life to fit my ideal will. Don't pass up this opportunity. It is your divine affirmation. If you believe that the blessings that are predestined for you are already on their way, embrace them with gratitude and watch as your life is transformed beyond measure. Jesus said that with men, it is impossible, but with God, everything is possible. Let this truth ignite your faith and prepare your heart to receive the outpouring of heaven's favor type 222. The floodgates of my divine favor are now opening, showering you with blessings beyond measure as my adored good energy pours into you. Align yourself with my spirit, because your life will become more amazing the closer you walk in step with me. Do you not realize that I am the God of miracles, the deity who moves mountains and parts seas? Even though the weight of this year feels unbearable, remember that I am always with you, my word says in John 14:1, and that you should not let your heart be troubled, because you believe in God and in me. I am the great. I am the one who scatters your enemies. I am the one who clears your path. I am the one who holds your future. I am breaking. Your failures were not defeats. They were sacred lessons forged in fire, refining you for the destiny I have ordained. Stand tall in the power of my promise. I have your back. Every chain is being lifted. Every burden is being broken, and every obstacle that dared to stand in the way of my plans for your life is being destroyed. Hear me out. Times are changing, and a divine shift is upon you. What once seemed impossible is now within your reach, and you are about to experience a joy so overwhelming that it will leave no room for sorrow. Do not give up on the person I am molding you into. It is not just coming. It is here, breaking forth like the dawn. Every door I closed was my hand protecting you during every delay. My mercy in disguise, because I am providing you with what you never knew you needed. But always long, because, lo and behold, life is working for you, not against you. The skies are celebrating, Angels are singing, and the storehouses of glory are being poured out for you. Do not hesitate. Live fearlessly as one who is always blessed, opening your heart and your hands, for the miracle you have prayed for is coming down. Child, express your faith. Warrior praise and type 555 to signal to the universe that you are prepared to stand in accordance with my word and to receive all of the blessings that heaven has planned for your life. The moment has come. When you choose to let go of the old, stale, and worn-out situations that no longer serve you, a divine shift will occur in your life. Your heart will be bathed in the ease of my grace. Your soul will sing with gratitude for the freedom you have embraced, and your mind will find clarity like a river flowing toward peace. Step boldly into your miracle, child of God, and pay close attention, because I speak to your soul with the fire of truth and the gentleness of love. Broken cycles or old wounds, I'm calling you to wipe the slate clean and let go of the past like heavy chains. Rekindle your spirit with the holy fire of renewal and bid adieu to habits that try to reappear, because they are only a diversion from the glory I have planned for you. You are stronger now, bolder now, and wiser in your faith. Let go and trust in my promise to forget the past, not dwell on the past, and see that I am doing something new. My eyes see the eternal truth of who you are, which is that you are fearfully and wonderfully made, deeply loved, and infinitely valued. Others' gazes are fleeting and tainted by their own struggles. In my kingdom, you should stop idolizing other people's opinions, because your identity is rooted in me. See yourself through my eyes and know that you are a masterpiece of divine intention, worthy of all my blessings. In that revelation, you will find peace that surpasses comprehension, because every day is a gift, perfect in its imperfections, tailored to your growth and my glory. When life feels too much to bear, remember this truth. You have a choice. Lean into my strength, because it is made perfect in your weakness. Even when you falter, I am there, lifting you out of discouragement and giving you the strength to get back up. You must prepare your heart, beloved, because I am about to fill the voids in your life with abundance. The chapter of your dreams is unfolding. All you need to do is surrender, trust, and believe that everything you have prayed for is aligning in my divine timing. Type 333. Now, if you're prepared to receive what heaven has in store for you, child, this is the time for your spirit to awaken to the power of my presence. Rest tonight, not as one who merely sleeps, but as one who gives yourself entirely to the Almighty. Cast all your burdens, fears, and doubts into my hands, because I, the Lord of hosts, am fighting for you. Speak your prayers boldly, knowing that they have pierced the heavens and reached my throne. Do not doubt that I am the God who sees you, who hears you, and who acts on your behalf. I have heard your cries, and I am moving swiftly. I will not let you down. Do you not know who your Father is? I am the one who created the heavens and the earth. I am the one who breathed life into you. I am bigger than your pain. Your anxieties and every challenge that tries to arise against you will not succeed, because I have already gone before you. Tearing down barriers and shattering heaven is mobilizing for you. My angels are on assignment, and the heavens are aligning for a divine breakthrough. The answers will come suddenly, so prepare your heart to receive them. Every chain I am setting a table for you in front of your enemies, and your cup will overflow, child. The prayers you have been sending up, the ones that are soaked in tears and uttered in desperation, are not forgotten. The days of being carefree and hurt-free are ending. It's your season of triumph. Keep an eye out, because the blessings I have planned will come so abundantly that you won't have enough space to hold them. The enemy wants you to believe that you are unworthy of my love and shame, but hear me out. I made you to be a conqueror, not a victim. Stop disparaging yourself and rob R in the identity I have given you. You are a royal priesthood set apart for greatness. Stand firm and know that I am the God who orchestrates everything for your good rest tonight, not in weakness but in power. knowing that I am turning every bad circumstance around. Healing, abundance, and restoration are not on the way. They are already here. Declare with bold faith that my God is in control of my life. Type 444. If you are prepared to witness miracles in your life because the time of my favor has arrived, listen to my voice today as I declare that your upgrade is upon you because you were faithful in the little things I'm about to bless you with. You didn't waver. You didn't turn back. And now you stand on the precipice of receiving everything you have prayed for and waited for. My promises are yes and amen, and I am a rewarder of the faithful, as my word states in 2 Chronicles 15. However, be strong and never give up, because your hard work will be rewarded. The time has come for you. I am sending prosperity your way, and the miraculous will mark your journey. I will replace your pain, worry, and struggles with health, happiness, and peace. You are not reading this by accident. It is a divine appointment. Rejoice because I am moving mightily on your behalf. Get ready for the heavens to open wide to release blessings that will propel you into a new season of abundance and joy. Every tear you have shed, every seed you have sown in faith, is about to yield a harvest that will leave you amazed. Even now, when it seems like there is no way to remember my promise once more, I genuinely tell you that if two people on earth agree on anything, my Father in heaven will do it for them. Hold on to this truth, because I am working behind the scenes to bring about breakthroughs beyond your wildest dreams. I love you, God, and I will never abandon you. Now, declare your love for me by typing, "I love you, God," and watch as my glory unfolds in your life like never before. Thank you for giving me life and happiness, God, for leading me down the correct path of peace and salvation. I love you. Thank you for watching, supporting our channel, hitting the subscribe button, and subscribing so that you will be the first to know about new videos.